today in front of me Realme 9 and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account in Gmail app on this device. So first let's open the Google folder and launch the Gmail application. After that, just click here on the right upper corner. And now we can see that we're logged into two accounts at the same time. And now just to log out from one from this account in our Gmail app, we should log out from the Google account on our device. So how we can do that? Just click once here on the manage accounts on this device and tap to the Google section. Here now we can see there's two accounts. To log out from, for example, from the second one, just click here and tap on the right upper corner on the three dots. Then just click here remove account and confirm your changes to click to remove accounts again. Now we can see that in Google account settings we stay only with one Gmail account. And let's go back to the application and check, and now we can see that in Google Gmail app we stay also only with one Gmail account. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.